This is an upper class that you need to upgrade yourself. I have seen you will have come newly to this class. This is grade 5, the optimum. So far, this school is concerned. You've not been meeting with me before. This is the first time of you meeting with me. I am Mr. Anderson. That's my name. Once you see me, you call Mr. Anderson. You have been seeing me around the compound, around the school compound, because you will not have opportunity of being in my class. Now that we are promoted to this class, you know, I am the one handling English language. Today's topic is composition writing. Is composition writing in English. I know as a baby, you people were used to taking milk for your protein. Eh? But now as you grow up, you'll be taking meat. Eh? So as you were growing up, you were singing those rhymes. Now you have to learn how to write. So what do I mean? Composition just means you composing, forming things. How do you form things? When you are going from the other down, you start learning alphabet, the ABC. Thereafter, you start composing words, 2-letter words. A and N was what? T and O. So that's how you compose it. Now, in this type, as we are growing now, you will learn to compose serious things, not single words any longer. You are not composing single words any longer. If you are to write, you are to write with words and sentences. So the type of composition we are to handle today is called descriptive composition. It's called descriptive composition. What do I mean by that? Is a kind of composition whereby a writer, as you are to be one now, that who is writing on a particular something, that you are describing how the thing looks like. For such work to be a descriptive work, it must contain certain things. You should be able to register in the mind of your reader a mental picture of what you are describing. For example, if you are describing this classroom to somebody outside, the picture should be on such person's head. When he comes to say, this was the class he was describing. You understand? If you have not been able to do that, that means you are not doing any description at all. If you are describing a lady as a huge and tall person, definitely, if somebody come by chance, get to that person and say, this is the person he was describing. If not, it means you were not doing any descriptions of the person. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, I have my teaching aid. This one is called flashcard. Where you flash, you see now, flashcard is just to show you some words. This composition, as I mentioned. And I've told you there are many types of compositions. One of them is descriptive. Others are narratives, and the other one is argumentative. We might call it debate. So now, if I flash this one, this is narrative. It has different techniques. If you are writing a narration, you have different techniques. If you are writing a descriptive, as I explained, it has its own technique that you have to follow. If you don't follow that technique, it means you are not doing it. This other one is argumentation. Many people think